Welcome to Bree's Daily Drop-In. Settle yourself in your quiet zone, or if you're away from your usual meditation space, find somewhere to sit where you won't be disturbed. This time is for you. Free yourself from any distractions, just for the next 10 minutes. Either sitting or lying down, make yourself comfortable with good posture and your body feeling nice and balanced. Then when you're ready, take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, gently close your eyes. You may not be aware that your thoughts affect your whole body. Every thought you have triggers an emotional and physical reaction in the body. When I'm worried about my children, I get a knot in my chest. And if I'm nervous, my tummy churns. As long as our thoughts are calm and orderly, this won't cause a problem. But often we don't feel calm. And this is because our thoughts have become negative or unhelpful. So we're going to work through 7 steps to total calm that will not only help your mind feel calm, but your body as well. So as you settle, let your thoughts be very welcome here. Even though you're settling into your quiet space, don't try and push your thoughts away. Just let them come and go as they please. Take a deep breath and sigh your exhale. Do that again, and this time, as you sigh, let your attention drop from your head down into your hips and pelvis. Whether you're lying or sitting, place all your attention on the weight and balance of your pelvis. Sense your sit bones if you're sitting, or the back of your hips if you're lying down. Still letting your thoughts be welcome, but continually bringing your focus back to your seat as you breathe out. Sense the security you feel from your solid seat connecting to the surface underneath you. Right here, right now, in the present moment. Breathe fully but easily, no effort or struggle. And now as you exhale with a gentle sigh, move your attention to your spine. Sense this structure of support that carries you around all day. As you breathe out, sense your spine lengthening. Simply being aware of your spine. Now move your attention to your shoulders. You may have heard the saying, carrying the weight of the world on your shoulders. Is that what you're doing? Take a nice deep breath in. And this time open your mouth as you sigh and let your shoulders soften, maybe dropping slightly back and melting away from your ears. Give your shoulders some much needed tender loving care simply by focusing on your breath and relaxing your shoulders as you exhale. Now move your attention to the crown of your head. Sense the crown of your head is like a flower opening in full bloom. Your crown is like your antenna to your intuitive guidance system. Allow yourself this time to slow down so you can become more receptive to your intuition. Breathe out, relax, and simply be here. Drop your attention very softly down to the inside of your mouth. Let your mouth soften. It's very common to hold tension in the jaw, so let your jaw relax as you breathe out. Now move your attention to your heart center, right in the center of your chest. Breathe a little more deeply and let this area expand as you breathe in. As your breath leaves your body, let your full attention settle at your heart center, as if your breath is flowing into your heart. Your heart is not only the center of love and spiritual connection, but the organ that gives you life. As you exhale, have a sense of your heart resting peacefully in your body. And now let your attention drift slowly down to your belly, low down in your abdomen. Without effort or struggle, feel the gentle expansion of your belly as you breathe in, and then let it soften as you breathe out. This area of your body is a reservoir of energy. Simply breathe, relax, and notice this energy center in your body. Let your thoughts come and go as they please. And come with me as we take this journey around the 7 steps to calm again. Simply noticing when your mind is distracted, bringing your attention back to your body, back to feeling calm. So first, drop your attention to your seat. Sigh your next exhale and notice your shoulders. Crown of head, mouth and jaw. Sigh and move your attention to your heart center. Down to your belly. Resting here. Attention back to your seat. Spine. Shoulders. Crown of head. Mouth and jaw. Heart center, and belly. Enjoy this calm space. Taking a deep breath in, let a long, slow sigh leave your body. Feeling completely relaxed as all your muscles and joints soften. feeling a sense of calm flow through your body as you exhale. Just being here, right in this moment, calm, focused, and relaxed. And as you continue to sit or lie in your space, take a moment to reflect on the journey we've been on. What lessons or realizations will you bring back into your day? And as you bring your attention back to the room or place where you are, bringing this knowledge and this feeling of calm in your body with you. Slowly beginning to move your fingers and your toes, and letting your body spontaneously stretch if you want to. In your own time, opening your eyes. And as you rise from this practice and move forward with your day, always remember you can take this technique with you and bring total calm into your life whenever you need to. You can do this simple process anytime, anywhere.